Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that pre-war motor, that 593 that arrived today. Anyway, I have repaired the contactor, as you see, and like I hypothesized, I was going to have to solder it, which is exactly what I did. So I got everything lined up in position and then soldered the contactor spring to the contactor itself. And as you see, it works absolutely perfectly. So that is repaired. So I added a traction tire to this piece of vinyl tape, of course, and this is the result. As you see, this old locomotive is running absolutely perfectly. Now, I bought this just to get the motor. Actually, I bought the 898 just to get the motor. This is actually quite a step up from what I was actually bidding on. So, a much older motor, repaired and running, as you see. So, anyway, waiting to hear from this guy. Obviously, at some point, he's going to go, oh, shit, I sent the wrong locomotive. But until then, I'm going to be running this. So I will very likely wind up keeping it. So, pre-war motor, $8. And like I said, I contacted the guy. He had this marked. He had the 898 marked as a 666, and he wanted $24.95 for it. I contacted him, told him it was an 898. Missing both markers and the stack, and that I bought him for parts. I offered him $8 and he instantly accepted, but this is what he sent. So the pilot is broken on this, but overall condition, it's all right. I mean, it's a stamped steel locomotive. The important part is that motor, which is what I bought the original 898 for. So a pre-war motor with spoke wheels running forward and reverse. That contactor is repaired, so this thing will now run the rest of my life. Even has the original light bulb in it. It was loose. And as you see, that contactor works perfectly. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. You know, this reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the junk. You know, this was supposed to be an 898. He sent the wrong locomotive. But like I said, I am very likely keeping this. So, I'm pleased with it. It needed a quick repair. I mean, literally a quick repair. It only took a few minutes to make that soldered connection. And this is going to run forever now. It's pulling 14 Lionel cars with absolutely no problem at all. And this thing is about 80 years old. So, in any case, just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. It's an easy repair. So if you encounter that broken contactor, it's a really simple repair. Line everything up, put a bead of solder across it. This thing will now run virtually forever. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.